You're listening to the Chic Code Podcast with Wirda Alyssa and Sophia Arisa. All things chic, candid, and comedy. Hey girlies, welcome back to another episode of the Chic Code Podcast, and this episode is proudly brought to you by Tradishot.
Mau badan seger luar dalam, kulit cantik dan bersinar? Ya, minum jamu Tradishot dong. Tinggal dikocok, diputer dan langsung diminum. Gampang kan?
Khusus untuk kalian semua, ada 10% diskon gunakan promo kod Jamu Jengs untuk produk-produk Tradishot di www.tradishot.com. Ikuti mereka juga ya di Instagram dan TikTok mereka @tradi.shot.
Ya, makasih ya para pemirsa sudah menonton kami di YouTube dan Spotify.
Iya.
Tapi kalau kamu punya YouTube ya tengok di YouTube aja. Jadi YouTube bisa bayar kami, Spotify nggak bayar.
Iya. Nonton di YouTube aja.
Nonton di YouTube, jangan lupa
subscribe.
Iya. Jadi kalau mau kulit cantik dan bersinar, mau energi, mau ototnya kenceng-kenceng, ya bisa.
Kenceng. Oh, wow.
Bisa minum jamu Tradishot. Yang lanang bisa, yang wedok juga bisa.
Oh, wow, you're Indonesian so good.
Oh iya. Rollerblade.
Island girl from Indonesia. Yes. So thank you so much, Tradishot. I think recently aku dah consume Tradishot as something else tau. Aku realised that it's actually because it's an energy booster kan.
Correct.
So I started running recently for the past month, and aku will always take Tradishot in the morning because it gives me that boost of energy.
Correct. Recently I've been consuming immunity boost lah for that extra energy. And I can feel lah. Dan aku dah tak sakit-sakit, aku dah tak macam, aku semangat.
Betul. Macam you are
energy.
like every day when you wake up, kau macam, okay, it's a brand new day, what shall we do?
Correct.
So try Tradishot if you guys haven't. So anyway, hari ni, can we have a jingle Sasway please?
Sasway, Sherita, Sasway, Sherita, Sasway, Sherita, Sasway, Sherita,
Gini.
Sherita, Sasway, Sherita, Sasway, Sherita.
You are listening to the Chic Code Podcast.
Yes, dan pada cerita hari ini, okay, wait, kejap. Aku nak baca something before kita start with the topic, boleh tak?
Boleh.
Aku nampak dekat Threads.
Boleh.
Kita punya Miss Manager send aku dekat Threads.
Miss Manager siapa?
Ika. Miss Manager kita.
Yes.
Alright. So, dia send aku lah. One of our listeners. Dia post, aku akan drive sambil dengar The Chic Code Podcast. One day, sambil aku drive di pagi hari yang jam tu, kebabom! Kena langgar belakang. Dan lagu yang keluar, Sasway, cerita Sasway. Memang saway hidup aku hari tu. Dia kata saway. Lepas tu semua orang cakap, Kak, bukan saway, it's Sasway. Dia kata tak, saway.
Alamak.
So aku tak faham. Dia kata saway, korang salah dengar, it's saway. Lepas tu orang cakap, saya suka confident akak type saway, hidup saway. Weh, habis tu apa? Sasway ke? Ya kak, Sasway. Bukan sawe.
Sawe.
Bukan sawe. Ya, dia kata semua ni corrected her, Kak. It's Sasway, it's not sawe. Aku ingatkan dia cakap sway. Sway hidup dia pada hari tu. Tapi dia cakap sawe.
Oh, sawe.
Dia orang cakap sawe pun boleh lah, jangan sawi sudah. But please, untuk sesiapa yang sedang memandu pada hari ni, please drive carefully. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kau jangan ketawa-ketawa tapi kau tak tengok depan. Kau kena, pasal aku tahu ada yang letak screen yang muka kita.
Yes.
Eyes on the road. Eyes on the wheel and the road.
Wak
Okay.
Doyok letak screen muka kita. Wak Doyok, shout out to you.
What do you?
Yeah.
Man.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Yes.
aku pun nak bagi amaran lah kepada our listeners.
Yeah.
I know we are very grateful for all the emails that we have been getting. Tapi please jangan irritating and spam like that one topic kurang spam 10. Kau faham tak? Like I know that seboleh-boleh ni you nak kita macam baca and get that attention, like you know, to like kita macam no. That is irritating. So please just email once.
Yes.
And and Stacy will really filter, and she see what's most she will see email yang worth it untuk baca, then she will alert to us. Okay, because kita terlalu banyak sangat email, and of course kita have to filter out people yang macam just want to complain for the sake of just emailing. Kita tak layan because it's not worth it. Tapi kita nak quality email that is like macam stories yang macam sasui on like a whole different level. If it's just petty, kau bingit dengan ex-boyfriend kau because blah blah blah, then I'm sorry. At this rate, we can't afford to like read all of that lah. Ini bukan counter aduan.
Counter aduan.
Boleh saya bantu? Yes.
Aku dengan kau kat belakang counter.
Boleh saya bantu? So please don't be irritating and spam us.
Don't
just
do the spamming,
once
guys.
sahaja. You just email once, and if your email gets selected, good for you.
Yeah.
If not, it's okay, right?
Yes,
Like
yes.
can always email us maybe in 3 months time and just pray that your email will be picked. Sometimes if it's not picked because your story just okay saja. And korang janganlah reka cerita sampai
we know,
macam
you know,
world.
if you reka or
we can
not.
tell lah. We can tell. And also for the people yang email to us, jangan ikut emosi sangat, because some of you guys email us dengan penuh emosi. Next minute or an hour later, email to that chat thread or that email thread. Sorry, I've changed my mind. Please don't read this email. When you do something, you must fikir first, okay? Don't just blurt it out and then suddenly when you come to your senses, you menyesal. Faham tak?
Yeah. And also I think right, for emails, right, macam how do I know if my email is chosen? Maybe if you write it in a format that is in paragraph form, maybe not just macam kau tahu one long paragraph, tak ada full stop, tak ada apa.
It's the way you
kadang susah because kita kadang-kadang macam bila kita pick emails ke Stacy pick emails, kita will just like scan through. So if it's in paragraphs, we can see like okay, the storyline is like this. Okay, it's easier for us to scan through and read.
Correct.
If it's just one whole long chunk with
for you ranting,
macam just ranting, we will like automatically next. Okay, so but thank you so much for sending all your emails to theshitcodepodcast@gmail.com. Also anggap ni email macam untuk korang inilah macam, you know, after you let out you also feel good mah.
Betul.
But yalah.
Yeah. Okay.
All right.
So, so the topic today is we asked our listeners on Instagram. It's a question and answer. Tell us the lamest excuse you've got from your ex for a breakup.
Okay, this is interesting.
Yes.
So we got all the short answer response from you guys. Okay. Okay.
Member putus dengan ex sebab nak fokus main skateboard.
Wow, what a skater boy.
What a skater boy ah. So macam he likes to play skateboard, tapi ada girlfriend dia macam, you know, I tak boleh fokus main skateboard. I nak tak boleh. I kena fokus dengan skateboard I. If you are a professional skateboarder that goes to competition,
By all means, you want to focus on your skating career. By all means.
correct. Have you tried skateboarding?
No, I very scared. Kau pernah ke?
Main-main gitu je, tapi not like his.
No.
How
Pasal
do
aku
you-
pernah, I think macam, kau tahu macam just basically a board with wheels. I'm scared of that.
Yeah, how to control?
Aku takut gila sebab aku pernah jatuh main longboard. So dia minta break dengan I sebab berat badan I 55 kilo that time, and dia suruh turun to 50 kilo. Padahal dah ada Tino lain.
You I nak break up.
Asal sih you? Apa you buat? I tak buat apa kat you? Apa? Kenapa you nak break up?
You punya weight 55 kilo.
Lepas tu?
You 50 kilo baru I boleh fikir lah. Boleh rethink lah. You turun balik 5 kilo baru boleh bincang. Baru boleh bincang tau. So for your side, you need to lose 5 kilo. Baru like he might or may not stick with you. 5 kilo actually quite hard ah.
Very hard.
Very hard
Very hard.
to lose, you know.
Ya.
Yeah.
Kau kena
So he
nasib
knows
baik kau ni.
that jate tahu 5 kilo is very hard to lose. It's not like 1 kilo. 1 kilo okay lah, give me a week ah. I cut down sugar ah. Then okay lah, hopefully 1 kilo lepas berak semua kan. Hopefully 1 kilo tu I boleh lose. Tapi 5 kilo si jate ni ingat tahu yang it's so hard to lose 5 kilo. So he can buy time to, I don't know, do whatever he wants to do lah. That's lame
That's lame. That's super lame. And that's so mean.
Yeah, that's so mean.
Yeah.
Kau fitness coach ke? Kan? Dia check BMI.
Ashul, dia punya timbang dia bukan timbang yang biasa. Dia timbang ada visceral fat semua. Dia ada. Kau tahu dia punya percentage tu.
Betul.
Warna apa.
Betul.
Tu timbang dia.
For your height, the healthy range is this. You are overweight for 5 kilo. You masuk tu, then
I will.
Correct.
Macam sial. Okay. Then next one.
Oh, dia nak break sebab dia dah nak naik kapal.
Nak pergi belayar.
Sailorman tau. Asal sailorman sekarang dah tak pakai macam sailor punya kostum macam Popeye, kau tahu? Ada bandana. Aku nampak sekarang laki-laki je sibuk duk pakai bandana kat leher. Tapi diorang bukan sailor. Tapi yang sailor lama-lama kan pakai bandana, lepas tu pakai topi putih tu kan.
Yeah.
Cute what that one?
Yes.
I like that.
Baju stripe Is it? Baju stripe.
Dia collar macam ada stripe.
Yeah.
Okay. Sailor outfit. Wait.
See.
Sailor outfit. Men. Ni.
Kan?
Kan?
Dah
they
tak
don't-
ada. Oh, Shin ada.
Shin ada. Yeah, now they don't.
Yelah. Yeah, very the nautical.
Nautical. Yup.
Okay. He wanted to break up because I replied okay instead of good morning handsome. Dia nak orang panggil dia handsome lah. Lepas tu dia macam, I nak break up dengan you. Kenapa?
Why?
Sebab you tak greet I good morning handsome.
Yeah.
You tahu apa I handsome? You nak kena greet I good morning handsome.
Feminine energy lah.
Yes.
Like
Yep.
men like this, he wants to be chased.
Yup.
He wants like to be praised. Nak kau belanja makan. Dia nak kau pick him up for dinner, send him back home, open the door for him. He want that.
Yes, correct.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dia nak break sebab tak dapat.
Oh. Yalah, just leave him lah.
Yeah.
Leave him.
Now, right guys, in our generation, let's teach our sons to be gentlemen.
Yes, please.
Right?
Yep.
It's because the mother never teach him.
Exactly. Okay, babe. Dia nak break up dengan I sebab ayah I ada cancer. Dia tak nak I couple as hasrat terakhir dia.
Apa?
Bapak dia ada cancer.
Bapak siapa?
Bapak si Jatin ni ada
Jatin
cancer.
ada,
Okay. Ada cancer. So dia kata hasrat terakhir bapak dia is tak nak dia ada couple. Tak nak dia ada girlfriend.
That's very specific.
Very specific. So I have to fulfill my
His
dad's wishes
dying
before
wish lah.
before he passed.
Yeah. Oh damn son. And you cannot argue with what?
Yes, you can't argue.
Kau macam just
Fine if that's your dad's wish.
wow.
Wow, pandai laki-laki
Banyak tengok
jenis.
drama, lagi tu banyak
kan?
tengok
Tu pasal aku
drama.
cakap. Okay.
Okay. I tak reti main game favourite dia.
Game apa?
Mobile Legend and FIFA. Kau tahu main Mobile Legend?
No, I play something similar before, not Mobile
What is
Legend. Arena of Valor. A few years back, Aku masih MVP je.
Eh,
Best.
how do you play that?
You have to destroy the tower. Destroy the tower.
But how?
Okay, so kau akan start. Kau akan start kat bawah. Ini kau punya base. Okay? Lepas tu nanti dia ada tower sini. Dia ada tower si kanan, tengah,
Dia ada
kiri.
different roles. Ada mage.
Yeah, I'm just telling how you can win. Okay?
Okay.
So for example, aku selalu main bawah. Bawah sini. Lepas tu nanti minion akan keluar daripada tower. Minion. Orang-orang kecil.
Okay.
Kau kena
Pakai tembak.
tembak. So aku selalu ambil, apa I suka ambil? I marksman. Aku suka ambil marksman. Marksman kira macam tembak cepat. So cepat-cepat minion. Lepas tu nanti the opposing person will come out. The opposing hero will come out from the tower also. Then kau kena fight. Kau kena matikan dia. Lepas tu kau just have to go through the towers until you reach, and then you destroy the main base. Something like that. But you have to work in a team. It's a team of 5.
Who's your team?
I always play with Adri. And like our other friends. So we will form up a team. And then after that, yeah, it's weird. Time aku baru habis poly lah.
Faham.
Tengah tak buat apa-apa, kau faham?
Faham?
Okay.
Okay, I like to play. Okay, I like to
But I don't play
play.
anymore. Yeah.
What's that thing called?
Sims.
The Sim City.
Okay, how do you play that?
It's like you make your own metropolis.
Oh,
You are like the mayor. You like
Kau
tanah
design.
from scratch. Yes,
Okay.
correct. Kau build like macam the plant punya area. Kau build like where is the macam rubbish punya, like rubbish blah
Okay,
blah.
okay.
Kau build the road.
Okay.
Kau build like houses. Kau build macam factories.
Oh,
The
that's
factories
interesting.
generate income. Then kau collect to get more money to build maybe more towers and houses. Then house from a small house can upgrade to condo, can upgrade to bungalow. Like it's fun. Then macam aku feel proud because my city was like macam a rich city lah. Kis macam tourist dah start masuk. Then you can put like macam tourist attraction macam zoo. Ferris wheel.
that sounds fun.
Best.
Kau main kat mana? Handphone?
iPad.
Oh, iPad.
Best babe. Until one day.
So cute.
Yang iPad rosak Kau ingat
Oh,
tak
yes,
aku ada
yes.
yang
Yes.
iPad aku rosak.
Yes.
And then terus I have to start from scratch lah, cause we bought a new iPad. So sad because my city was already flourishing.
But you got account, you cannot open back.
No, I didn't create. I played macam as guest Sim City so fun. We should play together, babe. Sim City.
Sim City. So it's under Sims.
Sim City. Like so fun. Then macam ada shop kau boleh macam put your own
cool.
macam landmark and all. So macam
Oh, that's cool.
So,
So,
so
it's
macam
not under Sims. It's not.
It's called Sim City. So macam then kau akan ada beach kan. Kau boleh letak kau nak letak jetty ke kat beach kau. Tapi this kind of things need money. So kau just have to collect it from your factory that is generating sales lah. And then you can put flower shop lah. So macam every day like kau just tekan collect. And macam ada different punya macam they all need different stuff what. So macam this factory they need oil. So kau kena beli oil. So
okay.
they can keep generate money for you. Tapi macam like normal factory lo, kalau ada macam engine rosak ke, like kena beli produk baru ke, like
So macam game Datuk Bandar lah. Kau Datuk Bandar. Kau kena
bandar Datuk on lah. Yep, it's fun.
Interesting. Okay, so anyway, apa boyfriend dia minta break sebab tak tahu main game. Ya, breakkan je lah.
Tak lah.
Okay. Alright. Okay. Dia minta I break sebab nenek dia ada saka rimau. And saka tu tak suka I. So kita terpaksa berpisah. By the way, cinta monyet sekolah.
Sebab tu
Nenek
jangan
dia ada
nak
saka
bercinta.
rimau. Tiba. You I nak kena break dengan you. Nenek I punya saka rimau tak suka you.
That's funny.
Muka kau mesti macam mesti kau takut juga, Syel.
Yes.
Takut tau.
Yeah, because kids mah.
Yeah.
Like it's so easy to fool us what.
Yes.
Okay, aku ada satu cerita time aku primary school
Okay,
also.
ceritakan.
So aku tak tahu if I ceritakan or not. You know how dulu like ada Russell apa Yang cerita hantu
Russell Lee.
Russell Lee.
Yes.
Like kau tahu
True.
number 1, 2,
Yes.
3. Lepas tu the cover is
Oh, aku
quite
rasa kau
scary.
pernah ceritakan.
Oh, pernah?
Kan? Pasal someone said about that book or something, right?
Yeah.
Right?
Kan.
Ceritakan
So,
lagi.
Singapore ada this very famous book author tau,
Yeah.
called Russell Lee. So macam cerita macam local horror stories lah dorang tulis bla bla. Macam dalam buku tu ada a few horror stories, and the cover is scary lah. Okay.
Yeah.
Lepas tu aku kat sekolah kan ada macam kat Parade Square kau kena beratur, kena duduk untuk the national anthem. Lepas tu kau pergi kelas. So tengah macam story time, tengah read the storybooks blah blah blah. So one of my classmates,
Okay.
he was like, you buy that one is so scary. Later you will catch, like will go back to your house, you know, like.
Ayo.
I was like, kau faham? This one is so scary. Later at night it will come and haunt you. Si bodoh ni. Padahal baru beli ni. Mak aku baru beli kan. Semalam shopping dengan mak aku.
Kat
Happy
Popular.
lah. Esok nak story.
Yeah.
Alamak, I scared sia. I don't know. You want? Okay. So dia ambil babi kan. Si bodoh ni pun macam, okay lah, nasib. Dia tak ikut aku, dia ikut dia. Pasti sia kau. Fool me.
Oh, ni standard. Break up dengan I sebab you are too good for me.
Itu standard.
Asia. I think we should end this relationship sebab I solat tajwid and I don't see you in it. Bukan istihara ke, babe? And bukan tahajud ke? Solat tajwid. Itu kau nak ngaji, dek. Salah. Dia nak break dengan I. Dia cakap mafia dengan orang tengah cari dia. So he needs to cut off contact to protect me. Buto.
Hello you. Hello you. Yes. You know, dia kena add the payphone tau. Kena macam,
Yes.
you, it's gonna be quick, but baby girl, we need to cut ties. Why? Okay, you know, belakang kena lirik-lirik mata, bro. Mafia tengah cari engkau sia. Yeah, it's gonna be short, baby girl, but I'll be back for you. But for now, we have to cut ties because, you know, the mafia is trying to look for me. So you be safe, yeah? You be safe, okay? Yes. Faham tak?
Dia minta break dengan I sebab dia cakap I am too pretty, takut ganggu fokus untuk study. Turns out dia keluar dengan perempuan lain. Takut ganggu fokus. Cantik sangat awak ni.
But I would feel like macam, stop it.
Okay lah, break up lah. Bye-bye.
Okay,
It's alright.
sorry.
But thank
Kecantikan
you,
I.
I'm flattered.
Yeah, I'll be flattered. It's okay. Take it as a compliment.
Okay.
His mum tak bagi dia bercinta.
Okay.
We both 24 years old, by the way. Duduklah bawah ketiak mak kau tu.
Oi, dah 24 years old. Tak kasi
Mak I tak kasi bercinta. Habis bila boleh bercinta?
Umur 30 maybe. Okay, break up sebab mak I prefer orang boyan. Dia Arapa ale la om.
Lima tu bulan. Okay.
Atong okay.
Okay, break sebab I tak selevel dengan dia dalam Mobile Legends.
Lagi.
So, what levels do we have?
Dia ada apa level? Dia ada sampai diamond, platinum, semua kan. Kau kena main rank baru kau akan naik kau punya level. Ya, silver, bronze. Bronze, silver, diamond, platinum. Tak tahulah. Aku tak tahu whether it's the same for Mobile Legends. But that's why I deleted it because macam tak balik modal. Kau faham tak? Ya.
Okay.
Dia minta break dengan I sebab taste music tak sama. I minat ungu. Dia minat Taylor Swift.
Tak boleh bercampur lah. Dia belum tengok playlist aku. Kan? Playlist aku from dangdut to Sade to Bob Marley. Bercampur macam ni.
Sama, aku pun macam campur.
Yeah.
Ya, dia nak kena ada mix of everything.
Of course.
Tengok mood kau nak dengar lagu apa.
Correct. If
Yeah.
I'm feeling cheeky, I would on dangdut.
Ya.
If I'm feeling sad, I would on like Exist.
Ya. Ya. 420 Manggu
Oh yes.
kan?
That one I just recently ni lah.
Ya. 420 shout out Ari Lesmana.
Yeah, if I'm feeling like rock kapak, I would on Teratai bunga indah.
Ya.
Oh,
Apa lagi?
teratai bunga
Indah.
indah. Engkaulah
Ya.
pujaan hatiku. Oh, it's very sweet though.
Actually feel, you know, kau dengar lagu tu kau feels tau. Dah tak ada lagi tau lagu-lagu macam tu.
Ya sekarang lagu ni garisku boleh tak kau faham aku nanti
ya.
where are the sweet words? Now
Yeah.
it's like aku kau nak nyanyi ke tak?
Dia kena macam gitu.
Dia is the cool macam like macam Tensi macam kau tahu the Gen Z macam
Diorang suka macam tu.
kasih abah dia and aku asked Emily you know Gen Z mak I said why you guys like to sing macam like tak semangat
Why?
you know it's more cooler man like macam Yanisku boleh tak kau faham
Articulate your words properly, please.
kau perasan tak Adri?
Ya, aku perasan.
Yeah,
Ya.
but I love Tensi. I love Tensi and Naikila. Shout out.
Sedap lah lagu diorang untuk ni. Tapi
It's vibe lah.
Yes,
Vibe.
compare dengan lagu-lagu last time, it's like, you know, very the lyricist.
Oh,
Kan?
babe, boleh tak kau nyanyi seandainya
Dayang.
yes. Tak kalau nyanyi gitu
Tak,
YouTube boleh kan?
Aku tak rasa. Aku itu hari baru dengar dalam kereta Syah.
Kan it's feel lah Syah.
Yes.
Di sebalik
Ni kata ku tahu siapa diriku, tak perlu merayu. Tiba dengan pujukanmu.
Guess who's the singer?
Biarkanlah saja semuanya pergi. Cukuplah sekali kau menghiris hati, menghancurkan kasih yang telah lama terbina. Seandainya masih ada cinta lagi, lupakan oh sayang hasrat dan perasaanku. Rindu dan membara, menyala dan membelai jiwa, tiada berteman, sepinya perpanjangan rasa dan gelora. Sudahlah. Dah menghayati betul.
I love it. Please tepuk tangan. Please comment
Oh
if
my
you want
God.
more covers from Mr. Audio and Mr. Sophia, because
Tiba.
they are the best. We have the best talent.
Tiba.
If the local channel don't want to appreciate,
You
I will
talking?
appreciate.
We got TCC.
Will appreciate all the local talent. We're gonna make TCC Got Talent.
Yes. We're gonna make Shiku Stick happen.
Shit could still happen. And
Yeah.
TCC Got Talent. The judges, be careful lah. It's gonna be me.
Yes. Engkau performance menghayati engkau.
The performance.
Showmanship.
Showmanship.
Engkau.
Kau macam Datuk Syafinas.
tak tu Adri. Dia
Tak, dia Tok Jalal. Tok Jalal apa? Tok Ram. Dia Tok Ram.
Tok Jalal.
Kan? The serious one yang macam
Asyik pakai t-shirt putih macam jeans macam kena gitu. Tapi
yeah.
actually
You
it's
are Dia kena macam
very talented, you know.
You are Tapi tu tak ada.
Yes.
Next time you bakap.
Sama sial.
Aku bonda hatiku sendang.
Ya. Tembakannya. Padu.
Yes, kan TCC Got Talent.
Belikan dia blazer kala-kala.
Yes. Betul. So macam kita 3 and then TCC Got Talent, korang datang lah. Korang boleh buat magic show ke. Abang Zul Magic, shout out. You boleh datang. Right? And then
Tiba.
aspiring
kira
singers,
Talent apa-apa talent.
apa-apa talent.
Kalau dia datang sini setakat macam buat handstand.
Dia kena macam Britain Got Talent standard.
But kau tak boleh tahu
Need to
pun
really-
orang kalau datang dia nak buat apa. Nak kena tulis borang dulu kan.
Of course lah. Kau jangan main datang terperanjat mak. Kan?
I got talent. It's fun.
It's fun lah.
Ada new space.
Actually, it's good we need to pitch to sponsor who want to sponsor the apa tu? The final gift lah, macam $10,000 or something.
Ni macam the chic factor. Tapi macam
TCC got talent. Yeah.
Pasal aku X Factor because dia ada macam-macam kategori.
Betul.
Dancers, magicians.
Stand up comedian.
Ya.
Kalau orang tu datang, okay, dia tulis kat borang. Okay, I nak buat stand up comedian. Okay, just
Kena
macam
hantar
sendiri.
audition tape dulu.
Kau
jangan
datang sini.
Burung
Borang
mana?
apa tu man? Burung puyuh.
Muka kena macam burung apa tu man. Ya. Kan kau kena hantar audition tape dulu. Kau tak boleh main
Kalau
datang.
I become zone.
I become sometime I can be you may.
Only we don't know the exact
sometime
lyrics.
so much more lonely. Numb.
My friend here is very talented, I tell you.
Yeah. Numb. 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 Oh, numb. Linkin Park. Alright, let's go.
Kau dah tengok yang lagu barat-barat?
Oh, Welly.
Timur ke barat.
Okay.
Anyway, this episode is brought to you by Tradishot.
Betul.
Kalau belum coba, boleh order dengan kita punya promo code JAMUJENGS and order di website ya, www.tradishot.com or .com.my. Okay, kita teruskan. Submission listeners kita.
Betul. Maybe kita tanyalah Tradishot boleh tak awak sponsor untuk TCC Got Talent kepada siapa-siapa yang
That's
talented di
That's
luar
fun.
sana nak nyanyi ke kan.
Yes.
We will
Oh my
appreciate
God.
you lah.
I can imagine the whole show.
Correct.
Yeah. Actually fun.
Correct.
Fun. Boleh.
Who wants to fund our show?
Yes. Alright. Dia nak break sebab dia cakap, I want to focus on myself and Allah. If I cannot tanggung myself, how to tanggung you? Tapi aku rasa mesti ni, it's just cari alasan. Because ni semua topik cari alasan. Kau faham tak? Macam kasih orang macam mati kutu dah tak tahu nak jawab apa dengan kau.
Yes, especially kalau diorang pakai religion aspect kan.
Dia macam
So kau tak boleh argue apa?
ya, pasal betul ba?
Betul apa?
Ya.
So kau no choice. Terima je lah dek.
Ya.
Orang kalau datang nak kau tak apa, terima daripada kau memaksa. So dia dah lama check out. So kau tak payah nak ada jasad dia, tapi roh dia dah tak ada.
Okay. Alright, aku yang nak break sebab dia nak call 24 jam. Siau Rimas, tak boleh end call.
Baby Rimas. Baby Rimas.
End je lah call tu. Ya Allah, panas, overheat handphone baby.
Overheat. And baby nak buat kerja, baby tak boleh.
24 jam babe, how? Means what? When you sleep also you cannot?
Okay, if Bron you
24 hours
I nak shoot ni. Tapi you just stay on the call, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, tak apa you buat je.
Tak apa, I
Boleh dengar director cut. Cut. Okay, team blah blah blah. Kecut background kecut. Tapi he's not there.
Yeah,
He put
his
his
phone.
table there while he work as an actor.
Yep.
So just
Kau dengarkan je. Ya. Kau dengar ada berbual Thailand ke apa. Lepas tu kau macam teka-teka.
cup Saudi cup. Okay, cut. Okay. Hey you. Yeah, it's so sorry. Tapi kau dah tunggu 4 jam. Telinga dah panas. So the thing is, kau kena macam always like,
Jangan pakai tu. Pakai airpod.
okay.
Pakai airpod. Kau boleh buat kerja kau. Cik, bila Pak Bron tiba pakai airpod lah apa. Kira dia ni jantan ni. Aku dah imagine dia pakai sampai overheat lah. Pak Bron tak overheat, Syul. Kau pakai airpod. Kau buat lah kerja kau.
Okay je. Just treat it as a white noise. Just, it's okay. You do your thing.
Kau sekejap kau macam, oh ya, hello. Oh ya.
Hello, you.
Yes.
Kau buat apa? Oh, I kat office ni habiskan kerja. Dah nak habis dah. Tadi on the phone from 9 to 5. Ya, oh dah nak habis kerja dah. You dah nak ni dah. Oh yes. See you Siti. Oh yes. Oh, okay. Sekejap just stay on the call. I nak drive balik.
Kau stay. Okay.
Demi Abe bro.
Abebron boleh, Abebron. Okay. Dia minta perempuan ni nyanyikan dia, tapi dia tak nak. Lepas tu dia minta break. Memaksa. Okay. Another one using the religious card nak break up dengan I sebab nak menghormati bulan Ramadan. Kau tak boleh argue.
Kau tak boleh argue.
So kadang-kadang orang macam gini, dia cari kesempatan. Kau faham? Ini tak baik tau. Okay, perempuan ni yang minta dia break, okay? Sebab I tengok dia pegang cutlery tak betul masa makan. And it's our first date. Lepas tu I block dia. You are so mean. You should just
So mean.
ajar lah, you like that lah, whole cutlery. It's just a small issue, what? Yalah.
So mean. Maybe he wasn't
mean.
raised
Yeah,
to use
exactly.
cutlery with Melayu what.
Yeah.
Use hand mah.
Dia minta I break sebab bila dia nak swap I reject. Maybe dia nak swap pakai tangan. Macam lagi orang-orang germaphobe macam kita.
Betul.
Kau nak cuci tangan ke belum? Lepas tu he was so offended, dia minta break up. Ayo. 15. Oi, dia send I long paragraph before break up dengan dia just because I tak nak pakai baju seksi and pakai baju kebaya warna merah on a date. Dia specifically nak kebaya warna merah. Kebaya Brida dulu ada kan? Cantik saya kebaya tu, warna merah tu.
Guys,
Ya.
ni dengan yang abang terompan merah tu boleh jadi kawan. Yang mati-mati terompan heels merah.
Ni boleh jadi kawan.
What is the
Why
obsession with the red colour?
Why
What ah?
Ya Allah. Aduh, ni dia sendiri cakap dia main-main. Ex cakap nak break up sebab dia ada penyakit jantung berlubang. Padahal dia yang curang. Tapi dia main-main, dia cakap dia ada jantung berlubang. Hai. Ni pun minta break up sebab dia cakap I akan mati lagi a few months. End up elok je. Hidup lagi. Tengah cari another victim.
Break up with me because a senior compliments me nyanyi sedap dalam bus trip. Gila punya jatuh. Yang kau nyanyi dalam bus.
Tak.
Usah kau berpura.
Dia pakai mic yang kat depan tu.
Oh yang
Yang tour guide-nya.
for me, I'm assuming dia macam pakai earpiece. Lepas tu ni macam, di sebalik kata.
Itu very pick me. Aku rasa maybe dia ada karaoke punya ni ke, activity
okay,
ramai-ramai.
husnuzon maybe.
Husnuzon.
Tamu merayu
Dia kena goyang-goyang sebab dalam bas.
dengan pujukanmu. Biarkanlah. Swerve.
Ayo. Okay. Okay. Dia cakap kita tak serasi. Sebab nama kita kalau digabungkan tak sedap bunyi.
Tak boleh buat brand lah.
Okay, last one.
Sekejap, pasal kalau nama digabungkan tak sedap
Ya. Macam kau
Macam kau dengan
dah Syam.
Azlan. Kau dengan Azlan jadi Soflan. Dah jadi laundry detergent.
Soflan. Oh, betul ke?
Aku dengan Syam.
We dah
We Syam. Wisham.
Yeah.
Wisham. Wisham. We actually can be a brand name. Wish.
Dulu kau ada wedding hashtag?
Tak ada.
Tak ada. Kau ada siap.
Apa yang kau ni tu?
Kira macam dia kena ada dua-dua nama apa. Akhirnya quite lame lah. But I don't know how we found out. We got to that. It's a hashtag everything for Soph.
Everything.
Everything for Soph means that anything for Soph.
Must be his idea, right?
I can't remember. No, I think it was like a Q&A or something I posted on Instagram.
I see.
And then kau tahu macam sekarang kan orang kahwin, okay kasih hashtag.
That's funny.
Yeah. Oh wow. Okay, kau dulu.
Konon nak fokus dengan musician band dia.
Lepas tu
Wak Lu, Nono dah ada girlfriend baru.
siapa jadi?
Tak tahu.
Nak fokus on band, musician. Oh.
Okay, dia nak break up because her dimples are deeper than mine.
Who is her? Another girl lah. What Oni?
Kau ada fetish dimple ke apa?
Tak, tu pasal.
Siau lah.
Right. Hi, thank you so much guys for submitting all your entries. Ada banyak lagi kita tak terbaca. But thank you so much. And this episode is brought to you by Tready Shot. Kalau belum cuba Tready Shot, please do so. Dia bukan rasa macam jamu, your typical jamu. It's really very very nice. Sebab dia ada honey kat dalam.
Betul.
So dia manis, masa-masa manis macam tu. So yeah, let us know if you guys have tried it. And thank you so much for tuning into this episode. We'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye.
Bye. Hey girlies, we're back with Malak with a product talk with Tready Shot. Terima kasih Malak. How are you?
Thank you. Good. How are you guys?
Good. Yes.
Busy?
Thanks.
Busy, Bagus. Busy. Busy is always good.
Correct.
Busy.
Yes.
Booked and busy.
Booked and busy. That's the kind of woman that we want to be.
Yes.
But anyway, congratulations because Tready Shot is in retail right now. I saw the video.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
So we just entered Thanks Vivo City.
Wow.
We're going to be there for 2 months.
Okay.
But nanti kita tengok macam mana lah. Kalau sambutan dia like very good, we might be like also doing at other tanks. Yeah.
Wow, best news.
Orchard Road ke,
I'm so happy to see.
It's major. So Alhamdulillah, Masya Allah, Tabarakallah. And it's also because korang punya support for Tready Shot.
Amazing. Amazing. And then also, where else can we find a Tready Shot in stores?
Okay, so I think by now, you would be able to find Tready Shot over at Watson's.
Wow.
So island-wide ada about 90 stores, insyaAllah. So hopefully, korang kalau macam nak Tready Shot like readily available, pergilah Watson's terdekat dengan rumah anda.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh my god, wow, that's
Oh my-
amazing. Oh yeah,
That's
pada
huge.
siapa-siapa yang tiba-tiba ada acid reflux
Yeah.
tengah makan-makan kalau
Run.
run to
Yeah.
your nearest Watson's and just get your instant relief
Yeah.
with
Yes.
the berry.
Correct. Berry
gas
Blast.
relief,
Yes.
Berry Blast.
Oh, by the way, and also
Yes.
we are actually in the midst of R&D. For the Berry Blast, kita ada new improved taste. Jadi dia macam, okay, so over at Tready Shot, kita selalu gather feedback.
Okay.
So memang dia palatable.
Okay.
Tapi kita pun ada like a group of people that says that the menthol macam kadang-kadang macam ada ubat gigi punya taste. Which
gigi?
is yeah,
Okay.
ni tolerance masing-masing lah kan.
Masing-masing lah, yep.
So we will have this that is a little bit milder, but the formula is still the same.
Okay.
It's just the mixture of taste. Yeah, the berry taste might overpower. So we will see. Because that's the best thing about like small medium enterprise. Macam kita gather feedback.
Yeah.
And then we try to come out, and then we see like from the data which one is, which one is better for the masses. So we are always a constant work in progress. Yes.
Wow, mashallah. I am so proud lah to see a homegrown brand
Of course.
in retail stores. Mashallah, tabarakallah.
Yes.
All success to you, Malak.
Sama-sama
Yeah.
kita doakan yang baik-baik juga untuk TCC dan
Thank
your
you
business.
so much. Thank you
Kita
so
kena
much.
macam gitu tahu guys.
Yeah.
I always want to like advocate. Macam kita kalau tengok orang yang successful, kita try macam be happy for them. Because right,
Yes.
I mean, when you are happy for others, the rezeki dia circulating balik tau kat kau. Dia punya good vibes is better than kalau kau macam iri hati, macam dia ni macam riak. You have so many pre-assumption of other people, right? it is not good for your mental health also.
Correct.
So we learn to be
Betul.
happy for each other.
Correct. You're
Yes.
claiming the bad energy lah. When
Correct.
you project
Correct.
bad energy,
Yes.
you will also get bad energy back.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, correct.
Sangat betul.
Oh, dah deep product talk je.
Tak apa, ini slot kau. Apa-apa kau nak cakap untuk kau.
But that's
Yelah,
true. But
sikit
that's
lah
true.
sikit.
Ya,
Yeah,
betul.
sebab tu macam I always say kepada macam aspiring content creators kat luar or aspiring business owners kat luar, kalau macam if there's someone yang macam try to bring you down, on the internet, I could always tell myself and my friends that you will never be hated by a beautiful, successful,
Yes.
fully occupied and busy woman.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yes.
And that's the only opinion that matters. What kalau like
Yes.
kalau if malang yang macam Wida, come on, buck up. Oh shit, man. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
I will buck up because it's coming from Malang. Sam. Kan?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Aku akan berdiri je. Ya, malak. Okay.
Yes. Betul.
Ya,
Kan?
betul.
Tapi it's always those kind of people yang kau takkan ambil their opinion. Is
Correct.
because tapi taklah kita cakap jangan pedulikan opinion orang because kita pun tak boleh macam terlalu macam
In macam sokin korang,
Your
kau lah
own-
seorang yang
yang
that matters
betul.
kan.
Tak.
So,
Of course ada kita akan ambil constructive criticism.
Yes.
Tapi ada pula yang macam just want to criticize kau because like they just
Definitely.
memang tak suka kau lah kan from the
Betul.
start.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
that's why I say like even like for brands we are always a constant work in progress because like macam
Betul.
just to share lah, we had like the first Ready Shot the detox, right?
Yes.
Then we also gather feedback. Orang cakap actually kalau jamu dia lagi potent, lagi best, that kind of thing. So we always listen also.
Yes.
But there has to be some sort of communication and boundaries and also the way you package the message.
Yes.
Kalau nak constructive feedback macam ada cara.
Yes.
Ya, kalau macam publicly just want, you can see lah. Publicly kalau nak just bring down, you can see. So you
Correct.
block off the noise.
Ah,
Especially as founders or like macam kita orang ada macam personal branding juga kan.
Yeah.
So I think it's very kita out there. We have to be out
Yes.
there in order for the business to reach new heights every
Yes.
time kan. So this is one of our challenge.
Yes.
But inshallah, I think like if everybody we always spread positivity,
Betul.
inshallah tables will turn lah soon.
Betul. Like, yeah.
Correct. I feel like by having TCC kan, I am always so grateful to meet macam successful, powerful women such as Malang,
Yeah.
Yunisha.
tak
You know,
Yes, right.
Kita semua pun work in progress
opened,
juga.
my eyes
Yes,
and my
betul.
circle now is just them.
Yes, betul.
And dia buka mata aku macam like wow, if they can, we can also.
Yes, exactly.
Everyone can.
Yeah.
Betul.
Everybody can. Just
Yeah.
put your heart. Aku pun big manifesting lah.
Yes,
So aku
yes.
can understand like you guys also always manifesting
yes.
like cakap yang baik-baik je. Like
Betul.
always baik-baik. Jangan
Betul.
jadi Debbie Downer. Korang tahu Debbie Downer kan? Macam orang ada macam
Oh, Debbie Downer. Kau
Negative
kita
Nancy.
negative Nancy.
oh negative Nancy. Okay. Maybe aku millennial yang tua sikit. So dia macam let's say kalau ada kawan yang ada I wanna do this. If you can help, you know that your rezeki will not be
Putus.
affected
Yeah.
if you help people.
Yes.
And this is also the difference lah in like other communities also. They scratch your back, I scratch your back. Kita as our, ni dah community level. Kita as
tak
a
apa.
community pun kita kena
Yes.
gitu. Kita
Betul,
kena
betul.
jangan every time let's say aku buat business ni sama dengan business kau. Don't ever think macam this is always a competition. Like how you can leverage on each other.
Yes.
Yes guys, change the
Yes.
narrative. It's us. It's our generation yang boleh break the cycle.
That's true.
I love this product talk so much.
Yes.
Yeah, and it also reminded me, kita dulu pernah buat episode on social media etiquette. Kau ingat tak Malak?
Oh iyalah dengan korang.
Yeah, for
That
Tradishot.
was 2 years ago. Maybe need a refresher.
Oh refresh lah. It's
1 year, a year ago lah kan. Bila kita baru buat TCC. It was one of the earlier
Yalah.
episodes.
Almost 2 years.
Almost 2 years.
Aku tak
Almost
ingat
2
lagi dah.
years.
Aku ingat yang itu Habib tu je.
Okay, can I sekejap je?
Please
Sekejap.
go ahead.
Almost, I said almost 2 years because last year je aku was pregnant the whole year mah. So I was like last year mah.
End of year. Oh wow.
We did this in 2002. Kita launch in 2025. Mic kau dekat sikit tak dengar
Oh, sorry,
audio
sorry.
guy cakap.
Oh naik sikit gini.
Yeah. Sekejap, aku nak cari.
Yes, it was zaman puasa pula.
Time puasa.
Time puasa.
So 31st March 2025 ni posting raya aku.
Last year lah babe. Bukannya 2 years ago, ni 2026.
Sorry.
Dia booked and busy sampai
Yes,
time tu,
sampai-
the concept of time tu cepat sangat.
Ya, betul.
Jadilah
Betul
macam-
cakap.
Faham.
Aku nak sabar. Aku nak
Okay,
cari
last
the
year je.
episode number. Jadi korang boleh tengok balik episode tu. Maybe we should do another episode
That
Kan?
would be great.
Updated social media
Refreshment
etiquette episode.
Refreshment is always good.
Refreshment course.
Yes, correct.
Refreshment course. I love
yes.
that episode so much sebab I think it's a very insightful. Alah, sampai besok lah aku nak scroll down.
Next product talk.
Next product talk aku bilang kau episode mana satu. Okay, kena stay tuned to the next product talk. Thank you guys. Bye bye.